Hello, my wonderful cooking friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. The holidays are just around the corner, and I have the most spectacular, no-bake dessert that is going to absolutely wow your guests. Just look at this masterpiece. This is my cherry pecan cheesecake heaven. It's layer after layer of pure deliciousness, from the crunchy pecan crust to the creamy cheesecake, sweet cherry topping, and fluffy whipped cream. It looks so festive and impressive, doesn't it? But here's the best part, it's incredibly easy to make, and you don't even have to turn on your oven. It tastes like $1,000,000, but comes together in just minutes. It's rich, decadent, and has the perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors, with a delightful crunch. I promise, just one bite, and you'll be in dessert heaven. So, are you ready to make the best dessert of the season? Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients for this amazing treat. For our buttery, nutty crust, you'll need 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers or vanilla wafers, 3/4 of a cup of finely chopped pecans that are lightly toasted, half a cup of melted, unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. For that luscious, creamy cheesecake layer, grab 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1½ cups of whipped topping. And for the grand finale, the toppings, you'll need 1 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling, half a teaspoon of almond extract, 2 cups of whipped topping, 1/4 cup of chopped, toasted pecans for garnish, and a few fresh cherries to make it extra pretty. If fresh cherries are not available, get a small jar of dark red sweet cherries. It's a simple list for a truly show-stopping dessert. Alright, let's build this beauty. Starting with the foundation, our delicious pecan crust. You'll need a 9x13-inch dish for this recipe. In a medium bowl, we're going to combine our 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers. I'm using graham crackers today, but vanilla wafers work just as well for a slightly different flavor. To that, add 3/4 of a cup of those finely chopped and toasted pecans. Toasting them really brings out their nutty flavor and adds a fantastic crunch. Next, pour in half a cup of melted unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Now, just mix it all together until every crumb is coated in that buttery goodness. It should look like wet sand. Once it's all combined, pour the mixture into your dish. Using the bottom of a measuring cup or your hands, press the mixture down firmly and evenly to form a solid crust. This sturdy base is the perfect start for our heavenly dessert. Simple, right? Let's move on to the creamy part. Now for the star of the show, the cheesecake layer. This is what makes the dessert so incredibly rich and creamy. In a large bowl, take your 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. A quick tip, make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. This is the secret to getting a perfectly smooth, lump-free cheesecake layer. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, beat the cream cheese until it's completely smooth and creamy. Next, we'll add half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that warm flavor, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a wonderful brightness that cuts through the richness and balances the sweetness perfectly. Mix everything together until it's well combined and silky smooth. Now, for the final touch, to make it light and airy, we're going to gently fold in 1½ cups of whipped topping. Be gentle here, we want to keep all that lovely airiness. Just fold until it's fully combined and you have this beautiful, creamy, cloud-like mixture. Believe me, it's divine. Okay, our crust is ready, and our cheesecake filling is perfect. It's time to bring them together. Take your gorgeous cheesecake mixture and spread it evenly over the prepared crust in your dish. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to get a nice, smooth layer that goes all the way to the edges. Now, let's add that vibrant, fruity layer. In a small bowl, take your 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling. I love adding just a little something extra to elevate the flavor, so I'm stirring in half a teaspoon of almond extract. The almond flavor pairs so beautifully with cherries, It's a classic combination that really makes the filling pop. Of course, this is optional, but I highly recommend it. Once you've stirred in the almond extract, carefully spoon the cherry pie filling over the cheesecake layer. Spread it out gently to create an even layer of sweet, juicy cherries. Look at those colors. The deep red against the creamy white is just stunning. We're almost there, and it already looks so incredible. We are on the final stretch. It's time to add our last layers of deliciousness. On top of that beautiful cherry layer, we're going to spread our remaining 2 cups of whipped topping. Spread it gently to cover the cherries completely, creating a beautiful, fluffy white canvas. This adds another layer of light, airy texture that makes the dessert a true heaven. Now for the finishing touches that will make it look like it came from a fancy bakery. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of chopped, toasted pecans over the top. This not only adds a wonderful crunch but also ties back to the pecan flavor in our crust. And for a final pop of color and freshness, I like to garnish with a few fresh cherries. It just makes the whole dessert look so inviting and complete. Doesn't that look absolutely spectacular? Now for the hardest part, the waiting. We need to cover the dish and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but overnight is even better. This gives all the layers time to set up perfectly, so you get those clean, beautiful slices. Just imagine bringing this dessert to your holiday dinner table. Your family and friends are going to be so impressed. It's sitting there, this gorgeous layered dessert, next to steaming cups of hot coffee. Everyone will think you spent hours in the kitchen, but you and I know it only took about 20 minutes of active prep time. The rest is just chill time. This cherry pecan cheesecake heaven is the ultimate crowd pleaser. It's got something for everyone: the crunchy, nutty crust, the tangy, smooth cheesecake, the sweet cherries, and the light whipped cream. It's a symphony of textures and flavors in every single bite. This is the kind of dessert that creates those good memories, the one that people will ask you to make again and again for every gathering. It's easy, it's no bake, and it's an absolute showstopper. What more could you ask for in a holiday dessert? Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today to make this incredible cherry pecan cheesecake heaven recipe. I had so much fun sharing this recipe with you, and I truly hope you give it a try. It's guaranteed to be a hit at any party, potluck, or family dinner. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more easy and delicious recipes, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our next adventure. I love reading your comments, so let me know down below if you plan on making this or what your favorite holiday dessert is. Sharing food and creating memories is what it's all about. Until next time, happy cooking!